So here we are Thursday afternoon. Not a whole lot going on. It's raining. Raining pretty good actually. Power went out for a few minutes, but it's back on now. But we decided we're gonna go grab some dinner, early dinner. We're gonna go to this place called Kaboom. It's right outside of downtown Alaminos City, headed towards the 100 Islands Park, Blue Cop Wharf. So anyways, we're gonna head out that way and we're gonna bring you along. And so welcome aboard. See you in a few. All right. Alright, here we are at Kaboom Diner. We just got dropped off by the trike drivers, and yeah, we're gonna go in here, check it out, get some early dinner, and we'll catch up with you here in a few. Okay, so we've pretty much made up our mind. Eden's gonna get the sunrise burger. And that's bacon with the sunny side up egg and mango puree. Whatever that's all about, the mango puree part, I guess we'll see when it gets here. But that's what it looks like on the menu. So we'll see what it looks like when it gets here. And for me, I'm gonna do this all meat burger. And that's like all beef patty with just tons of bacon. So the sunrise burger is 159 pesos. Mine is 139. Still not sure if it comes with fries, but we'll figure that out here in a minute. So in addition to that, we're gonna go ahead and knock out some buffalo wings. That's what we have for buffalo wings. 12 piece and a 16 piece, 329 pesos, 424 pesos. Not sure what the flavor of the sauce is yet. We'll ask him when he gets over here. But that's our selection, so we'll let you know how it tastes after we consume. All right. Okay, we're pretty much on our way out now. So, do a quick peek. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mark Angelo. Bye-bye. Okay, well, there you have it. We tried the Kaboom Diner for the very first time, and yeah, they did pretty good. They had everything from burgers to chicken burgers to pasta to sandwiches to salads, ice cream shakes, and fraps, and just a bunch of stuff. But it was really good. I enjoyed it, and we will definitely be back. Mark Angelo is the manager, and he came by and made sure that we are satisfied with the food, the service, and everything. So that goes a long ways when they show they care, that they don't just take your money and send you out the door. So anyways, Kaboom Diner, right between Alaminos City and the Lucap Wharf, which is where the 100 Islands tour area is. So anyways, thanks for coming along, and we will check back with you soon. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.